Hey YouTubers, Rob Moffat, good morning. Guys, this video is for people who have ants, but the regular methods of controlling or killing them isn't working. Over the years, I've made a lot of videos on YouTube on pest control, how to kill ants, mosquitoes, roaches, gnats, all sorts of things. It's been very, very effective. But I've been having some trouble with some ants I never came across before. This is a commercial product that is super for almost all ant problems. You can also make your own ant products using borax or boric acid with sugar and other things, but these particular ants don't respond at all to that. So I did some investigation and found out these ants don't like sugar. They're like on the keto diet. They only like fats and proteins. So anything that I've been making, different baits, still work. So what I found the best thing for those type of ants is to use the 100% boric acid. Boric acid is not borax. They're two different chemicals. But this is rather inexpensive. It comes with a container that has a little spout that you can squeeze and it'll spray out dust so you can get behind corners and cracks. But what I do is I find the ants and then I find the trail where they're leading to the outside. And then I go to their entry point and I put this around so it keeps them from coming back in. I also put it behind appliances and so on where the ants might be crawling around. This is also good for roaches. And also you can use this in your vegetable garden. It's relatively safe. You don't want to use it in the food preparation, cooking area, commercial areas, but for most places in the home, it's perfectly safe, so long as you put it where pets or children don't get to it. So if you have ants that aren't responding to the regular methods using Terro, which uses borax, or the home remedies that I've provided in the past on how to get rid of ants, you might want to just try getting this. It's useful for other things besides ants, and it's inexpensive and it'll last. There's no retest date. This will last so long as you have it. It's boric acid. It's a very interesting product. It's a chemical. So guys, this has been another video from Rob's Homemade Life. Put on new videos every week. I have a whole playlist on pest control. You may want to. I'll leave a link to it. If you have any other pests you want to get rid of, I've got a bunch of very popular videos. And have over 1,000 videos, new videos every single week for 15 years. Hope this was something helpful to you. And you get rid of them bugs. All right, guys. Take care. See you out there.